Bitcoin this morning, where am I? Yeah, hourly chart. So I'm still looking for this last little squiggle up here to either 57.15 or 59.78 for this four. Then we drop down again towards 49.41 in Bitcoin, but we hit the 3 of 3 absolutely on the nose at the 1618 the other day. Bounced, I think this is the 4, then we get the 5th down of this degree of 3 in Bitcoin next. Ethereum, if I just take that down to a 240-minute chart, for those of you that follow Ethereum, it's been picture perfect. We hit here the 123.6 for the 3 of 3. This is a small 4. We should drop down to 152.70 next, then another 4, then a 5 down to the target. I can't give you, I think someone emailed me last night saying, you know, what's my ideal target for the final move down? Somewhere between 138 and 117. It can go slightly lower than 117, in fact. But once we've got this 4 in and a 1, 2, then I should be able to give you a more accurate estimation of where that will actually bottom in Ethereum before we get a much bigger move up.